guys, it's Mickey. So today I want to take my time to talk about some of the oils most women are being misled to use. Don't get me wrong, these oils are actually magnificent oils. They work for different purposes, but not exactly what some skincare therapists will tell you it does. The reason why I'm actually taking my time to do this video is just to enlighten people so that they can have an idea of a particular product to use and how to mix the oils together to get a glowing skin. There's something I notice most of our customers are lacking, and that is, oh yeah, they want a lighter skin, but at the same time they want to glow their skin. You need to have an idea that if you're using homemade oils, it might actually darken you. Again, if you're using some of these oils, you need to know the oil that is best suitable. Some of the oils are either comedogenic oils or they are too heavy to use on the body, but many of you don't even have an idea of the oil. Someone will just tell you, use aloe vera oil or use olive oil. Glow mama don. That means it's going to glow your skin and your skin is going to shine. If only you know. So let's start with our pure olive oil. Now, olive oil is a very beautiful oil. Nice, it's good to use. But are you using it to cook? Because if you're using it to cook, yes, you would love pure olive oil. But on your body, I wouldn't advise that. Except you're probably mixing olive oil with probably a lotion or something, CeraVe. You can mix or you can inculcate your olive oil into it. Since olive oil is heavy, to loosen the cream for you. Right, losing in the sense that CeraVe is actually very thick. So once you mix oil with it, it will loosen it a bit so you can use it. The oil is a very heavy oil. So when applied on the skin directly, it's going to take a longer time for it to absorb on the skin. So that is not a kind of oil you need to apply on your skin directly. It's a no-no. So for you women that people will tell you, oh, use olive oil, just apply directly on your body, you get a glow skin. It doesn't work that way. No, you won't get that glow skin. You would end up darkening your skin. All right, so don't do it. Avocado oil, that is one of the oils I love. I really love this oil. I so love this oil. If you're using it for an aging skin, yes. If you're incorporating it into a cream, more like as a base oil, and you want to make your cream from the scratch, yes. But applying it directly on your skin like that, no. It's going to darken it. These oils are heavy oils. They take more or less like 6 hours before they absorb on your skin. So why would you use them directly when you can mix them with your cream? If you mix them with your cream, you get the better use of these oils. But when used directly on your skin, you would not enjoy the benefits of the oil. So that is also a no-no. Sweet almond oil directly on your skin, no. Why not incorporate it into a cream? All right, make your base cream from the scratch. For people who know how to make their cream from the scratch, you can add sweet almond oil into it. You love how the texture of your cream is going to look like with your emulsifying wax. But when you say you want to use an oil directly on your body, I would advise you go for sunflower oil. Go for oils that range from 0 to 2. Most of these oils tend to have a percent at which you can use them. It's lovely to use on your skin. You can apply directly on your body and you would love the feel of it. All right, you can mix it together with your vitamin E. You know, vitamin E is for antioxidants. So you can mix it with your vitamin E and you get a very good result. It will absorb on your skin faster and it will also work on your skin. All right. Now, people will say, what if I use evening primrose? Evening primrose is good, but evening primrose is better when you get the supplement. Then you enjoy the evening primrose. But when you use evening primrose directly on your body, no. But if you mix evening primrose into your cream, thumbs up. Yeah. Now, I won't just go ahead talking about oils you're not meant to use. I'm definitely going to offer solutions of how to make your oils, right? Mix them together and you use them only at night. The reason why I'm telling you to use your oils only at night is because of the review of the sun. So once the sun gets directly on your skin, it's going to darken you. So it's best to use most of this, your glow body oils, your butters, it's best to use them at night. The sunflower oil gets to be our base oil. and it absorbs very fast on your body. So that is one of the oil you need for glowing the skin. Get your grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is really good on the skin, works magical on the skin. Now also get your vitamin E oil. Now the vitamin E oil serves as your antioxidant, all right, to help from any skin irritation whatsoever. So that is why we are adding vitamin E oil. Some people do not really like the smell of the vitamin E oil, so you can decide to scrap that, but it's good when you inculcate vitamin E oil in your skin. It's really good. So it helps for any, like people tend to have white dots on their body. It helps over time. You will notice there is a healing done in your skin, and that's due to the help of vitamin E oil. Some people go ahead to add their jojoba oil. The reason why I'm not using jojoba oil is I've noticed that it doesn't really work on all skin. There are some skin, once they apply jojoba oil on their skin, they tend to break out. But it's a beautiful oil. I use it on my baby's hair. You can see how long her hair is. I use jojoba oil on her hair, avocado oil. I have so many oils I put together, and it's really helping to grow her hair. Now, it's either you don't want jojoba oil, you switch it to argan oil. Yeah, argan oil is a bit heavy compared to sunflower oil, but when inculcated with sunflower oil alongside your grapeseed oil, it is not heavy, right? So you can get those oil, that is sunflower oil, jojoba oil. If you don't want jojoba oil, switch it with argan oil, and you can get your vitamin E oil as your grapeseed oil and mix them together. This is a beautiful oil, all right, that is going to serve as your glowing body oil. Glowing body oil is not the same thing as whitening oil. People will tell you, oh, I want a natural fairness. There's nothing known as natural fairness. If you were fair from birth, fine, but if you're not fair from birth and you want to get lighter, only chemical product will get you lighter, all right? There is no natural homemade product that gets you lighter. No, it doesn't work that way, right? Only chemical products gets you lighter, and you need to be able to maintain skin lightening over time, because that's the essence of skin lightening. You need to be able to maintain it. If you can't maintain it, don't bother starting this in the first place. So most of these oils cannot lighten you. They are only meant to glow your skin. And if you decide to use this oil to glow your skin and you want to use them alongside your lightening product, I would advise you use them once in a while and not all the time, as it has more potency compared to your lightening product to darken you over time. Okay, so if you were using, let's say, any of our Lemiki skin body oil and you want to use it together with the glow body oil I just gave you, I would suggest you use the glow body oil once or twice a week and stick to our Lemiki skin body oil, so you don't get darker over time due to the oil. These are natural homemade oils, so they will definitely be more potent than your lightening products. They are always potent, all right? So I just said I should share that with you, and I'm see you guys in my next YouTube video. And Mickey loves you like kilo day. I like the way I did my neck like this. Bye guys.